To figure out how much green paint you're going to need, maybe the easiest thing to do here is to figure out if you had 1 cup of black paint. So to be able to get 1 cup, I need to multiply by the reciprocal, because 2/3 times 3/2 equals 1. So that means that would be 1 cup of black paint. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to multiply by 3/2. So I'm going to do 4/1 times 3/2, which gives me 12/2, or 6. So that means that I need 6 quarts of green paint for 1 cup of black paint. So now what I need to do is I need to figure out if I have 4 cups of black paint. I'm going to multiply that by 4 to get the 4 cups. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to do times 4, and that gives me 24 quarts of green paint. So your answer is 24.